Welcome back to this video. There is an exciting update about 1688 Chinese shopping app that you need to pay attention to. So if you are importing product from China or you are sourcing product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see 3 new features that you need to be familiar with on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you or coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import goods from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see some of the exciting 3 new features on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my 1688 shopping app right here. Have you opened up your 1688 shopping app? First thing first, you need to make sure you update your 1688 shopping app to the latest version. After you have successfully updated your 1688 to latest version, that is when you can see all these 3 new. The very third one I would like to show you as far as these 3 new features on 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned is a situation whereby you place an order and the order is on transit and the order has not been shipped by the supplier. Then when you come back to your chat section right here, I'm going to click on my chat section right here. And then when you click on the chat section and then this as an example, so I'm going to use this supplier as an example. Then when you ask this supplier, when will you ship my goods? Just like this my question right here. When will you ship my goods? And in a few seconds, you get auto response from the 1688 system. Just like what you see right here. Now, it will tell you when you place the order. Then it will tell you when the goods will be shipped and the estimated date of arrival. You can also click on this icon right here to ask for a refund if you don't want the supplier to ship out the goods any longer. This is one of the 3rd great new features I want to show you as far as 1688 new update is concerned. So let's go back. The second one I want to show you here as far as new update is concerned, if you click on your profile icon right here, now this feature here is AI tool. So this AI tool, you need to make sure that you have registered successful with 1688 shopping app before you can have access to the AI tool, which launch automatically the AI. So this AI here is there just like your shopping assistant. You can have this, you can ask AI whatever question that is not really clear to you. Maybe you don't know how to source for a verified supplier. So you can come right here and you can use any language of your choice. So you can ask AI that, can you please give me top 20, let's say top 30 verified suppliers or men shoes. Then hit enter. So in a few seconds, just like what you see right here, you have verified supplier men shoes. Then you can click on here to see more. This is because we asked for 30 supplier. So you can see right here, scroll down. Then the more you scroll down, the more you see the rest of the supplier. Now, these are indications that all these factory here, they were verified. So this is the second great features you need to know as far as top 3 new features 1688 shopping app is concerned. Let's take a look at the very first one, which is really amazing. So I'm going to click on back right here. Now, in the past, when we want to add a shipping address on our 1688, it comes with a simple dialog box. Now they have added some of the tools right here. So if you click on your icon location right here, then it's going to take you right here. And now under this section right here, ever before now, there was no requirement for region and district area in this section. What we do is to just make use of auto recognition. But however, the same auto recognition can still work in this section right here. What you need to do in this category, paste your address right here, click on auto recognition. It will automatically get you the region and district in China of that particular shipping address. Then once you are done, if you want to keep using the address for your shipping, simply turn on this particular button. Once you turn on this particular button, it simply means that you have made the address as your default shipping address, which is going to be automatically be using for your shipping in 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. These are one of the top 3 new features I want to explain to you, and I hope you find all these features interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.